So how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. What about you?
I'm also fine and fantastic.
So, brother, what about the newspaper? Do you read newspaper every day?
Yes, I b- uh, I bought my newspaper with me in my workshop, and when I take my lunch, and then I try to read this newspaper at that time. And actually, not more. I have no more time to read the newspaper, and sometimes I try to cover the newspaper, and sometimes I only read 2 or 3 pages. Today, I read only one page, first page, and every page are remaining today.
Okay. So today I have read The Art of Laziness in my phone. I download a PDF of that book in my phone.
Okay, so
Brother,
great.
I gave you the book names. Actually, I have lost every book names in my room. So, do you have the names of that book that I gave you?
Definitely, definitely, because I wrote this name of this book, and actually I 3 or 4 exercise notebook, and where I wrote this name, and obviously after conversation I find out where where I wrote this name, and I will send you.
Okay, after conversation, if you get the names, then send me. I want to download the all books in my phone.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I got it, brother. So, brother, how is going on your speaking practice? Actually, I don't practice my English every day. I lost my fluency, and I don't get
No, no,
interest to practice with
no,
someone with
brother.
a understand what's happening with me.
Actually, I am feeling I can feel your fluency, but I did not practice every day. And sometimes last 2 or 3 days, I was little busy. So I did not practice, did not meet practice anymore. So yeah, today and every day, I think I will try to practice here. And you can see me, and I am practicing with you, and my practice is not so good. And I am just practicing with you, and you are very fluency, and you have very fluency, and you practice every day, I think, very well. And
No, actually, not like that. And I don't practice with someone, and a lots of person available on online, but I don't get interest to practice with them. I don't understand what's happening with me, and I don't upload any kinds of video in Facebook as well as YouTube. So I'm facing some problem. I have a lot of time, but I don't practice. I don't understand.
okay, so that's why I did not get any video on Facebook, and you did not, I think, upload videos. Sometimes one or two videos. Sometimes I saw on the
Yes,
Facebook.
yes, you are right. So, brother, do you learn vocabulary
And sometimes
or
I try and
just read?
vocabulary. And from the newspaper sometimes, and I read, and after that I find out the word meaning in Bengali sometimes, and sometimes I try to know the synonyms of this word, and in this way
Oh,
I am practice regularly.